Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's December 14th, and I am just checking on Badness. He's the baby. People steal dogs, and he is my little toy chihuahua, and I don't want anything to happen to him. I get worried. We lose too many dogs in this neighborhood. But anyway, I'm waiting on a phone call from my doctor. I had a mammogram done. I don't want to cry. I did a mammogram on Wednesday. No, today is Wednesday. Today's Thursday. I did it Tuesday. You can tell my mind is not okay right now. There were 3 spots they did find, meaning in the CD that you are able to request a CD. And I'm a little nervous. I'm going to be honest. I've already shampooed the carpets in the bedroom. I've already fully dumped the canister of the vacuum on the floor, swept that up, so I swept the whole living room entry area. Done dishes. I've scrubbed the top of the stove, and that was just in the last hour and a half. I'm trying to keep myself busy. I think what I'm going to do is go get some fresh air. I don't want to put my nerves on the babies, the fur babies. They're sensing me right now. They know I'm nervous. It's just not that, the thing is, if something's there, we are prepared because we caught it. And that's why it's so important for you to do your exams, ladies and gentlemen. Ranging from, your mammogram to your prostate, you got to do it. The pap smears, colon, you got to do it. I'm serious. You have to do it. So, and yeah, the waiting game stinks. Believe me, it stinks. But it's better to be safe than sorry. And my nerves are killing me. I didn't sleep at all last night. I was up every 30 minutes. I'm just watching my baby. It's been a long night, and it's 10:38 in the morning here in El Paso. So I'm just waiting for a phone call from my doctor if I'm needing to go and do more procedures done. So we are praying. I ask you to pray for the family. Pray for the kids, my grandson, and pray for Ray, and pray for the family. I don't want them to worry, but I'm not going to keep them in the dark either. So I pray for my friends too. I know I'm very blessed. I'm shaking right now. So I will put a video up of the CD that I have and the photos of the 3 different areas that they found. And it could be just a cyst. I could just be stressing over nothing, and maybe they have to go in and just drain the cyst. I don't know, the fear of the cancer in my thyroid, and that lump is still there. You just don't know. So, gotta have faith. You have to have a belief, and God is with me. And I know I know in my heart He won't give me what I cannot handle. He's made me very strong with being disabled now, and I used to question it. I don't question. He must know I must be a pretty tough soldier. So, please, be good to yourself and get yourself checked. Please. I'll be back and I'll let you know what I find out. I maybe won't get a phone call till this afternoon because they still have, of course, they have patients. And they know I'm nervous. They're good doctors. They're a good staff. So I love you. I love you very much. And I'll put up a new blog. And put that on Facebook and also Twitter and Instagram. I love you guys. And I'll be back. See you soon.